Hi, Ted Sisson here from Dave Arbogast Ford in beautiful Troy, Ohio. Hey, thank you for the inquiry on the 22 F-150 Black Widow that we have available. Let me show you around a little bit. So this truck has a 6-inch Fox lift. You've got your Black Widow custom grille, Black Widow hood inserts, Black Widow fender flares that are body matching. You got your Black Widow rims. They're 22-inch, come with BF Goodwrench all-terrain tires on them. Even got the Black Widow logos on the calipers. Again, does have the 6-inch Fox lift on it. Does have power running boards, so these will drop down when you open the doors. Nice power passenger seat, including lumbar support. Makes your passenger ultimately comfortable on them long trips. You got a dual tipped exhaust, rear parking sensors, full trailer tow package with 7-pin and 4-pin hookups. Backup camera, 360 camera. I pushed a little button up underneath here to get your tailgate to drop down. It is a slow fold gate. It does have the full workstation on it. That workstation will give you a couple of options with tape measures. You have your hookups for clamps if you had to clamp something down, as well as your pro step and grab handle. Makes getting into bed super easy. And then over here you also see you have your pro power on board. So you do have power hookup to the back as well. Does come with the FX4 off-road package. Again, you'll see in here that you've got the 6-inch Fox lift, leather interior front and back, 60/40 second row folding seats, so these will fold up. You have your tie-down hooks that come with the truck, as well as your all-season mats that come with it, and then the carpeted mats are currently in the truck. You've got USB ports and 120-volt plug to the back, as well as rear air controls. And then again, custom leather seating with custom stitching from Black Widow. Smart entry system. Does have your blind spot monitor in both mirrors as well. Your full power driver seat, including lumbar support, full power adjustable pedals, tilt telescoping steering wheel release, auto headlights, fog lights, bed light. You have a lot of different little options here as far as all your setup is concerned. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Also has the B&O premium sound system. Again, with the leather interior, you'll see it has the Black Widow headrests. And then let me show you a little bit here on the inside. So on the inside truck here, it is a push button start. On the key, you will notice on the key here, it does have remote start built in, as well as I can drop the tailgate right from the key fob. Makes it nice when you're coming out to your truck. You've got your lane keep assist, all your radio controls, Bluetooth controls, audio controls, all your information panel to your center display right here at your fingertips. Again, it is a tilt and telescope steering wheel, so you ultimately get it where you want it. Just lock it back in place for great comfort. Built-in 4-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, along with pro trailer backup. Dual zone climate control, so we can adjust driver and passenger independently, or we can sync them up and do it together. You also have heated seats to driver and passenger. Navigation system, AM, FM, XM radio through the audio system, as well as through apps like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can stream music, use apps like Google Maps or Waze if you don't want to use the manufacturer navigation system. 120-volt power outlet, 12-volt plug. This does have your tuck away handle for shifting gears here. We can push a button and make that drop down. Really makes it nice on long trips, not having that in your way. You also see we got a backup camera, which is currently looking down. I apologize. So your backup camera will display in your whole 12-inch display. You've got dual glove boxes. You've got your lower box and then your upper. As well as inside your center console here, you've got a ton of storage space. You've got a little package in here from SCA Performance with a little information on all their product. Again, my name is Ted Sisson from Dave Arbogast Ford in beautiful Troy, Ohio. I'd like to thank you for taking your time to watch this short walk-around video on the 22 F-150 Black Widow. Please let me know if there's any other questions I can answer, and you have an amazing day.